Hi, I'm Liz from Connell's Maple Lee, and today we're going to make a spooky succulent. If you picked up your kit at the store, you will have all the components that you need. If you are going to purchase your own, you would need a 2-inch container as well as a 2-inch succulent. So the first thing that you might want to do if you're doing this in your house, you might want to put some cardboard down on the table or a tablecloth like we have here, or a piece of cellophane or plastic, because this could get a little messy. What we want to do is take the little succulent plant out of the pot. You might dribble some soil, that's okay. Take your cellophane square and kind of cluster it around the base of the pot. And then we are going to very gently put it into the container. And there you have a cute little spooky succulent. Now you'll want to give your succulent just a little bit of water. Succulents are very, very finicky about water. They don't like to have a whole lot of it. They're similar to a cactus, but they don't have the pricklies on it. And you can easily rot a succulent by watering it too much. Okay. So there we have your little spooky succulent, and if you want, you could get a different pot and change it out for year round, so you don't have to put your whole succulent, get rid of your succulent after Halloween. If you did pick up a kit, we also have enclosed a coloring page, which we encourage you to color. We'd love to see your finished plants or coloring page. If you'd have your parent post it on social media. You might even become part of our next newsletter for Kids Club.